Hi, everyone, and welcome to the launch of my very first course, Canadian Finance Pro. Today is Sunday, May 1st, and I'm just going to be breaking down what this course is, why I created it, how to log in. If you've already purchased the course, I've had 20 pre-sales, which is amazing. If you purchased the pre-sale, you got 50% off, which is probably the lowest you'll ever see this course. I'm just going to show you why I created it, what everything is all about, and maybe go through some of the topics I'll be covering. Jumping right into it, this is my website. It's just Canadian Finance Pro. Aesthetically, I'm not the best at graphics. I'm not the best at websites. I will update this as I go along. This is just a base, but if you'd like, I'll leave a link to Canadian Finance Pro and you can join the course. So what's included in this? I have a couple perks. I have a Discord server currently with 33 members, I believe, which is not bad. So the Discord server is $5 a month and you'll get access to it free for life. So $60 a year just to discuss everything related to Canadian finance, investing, and real estate. Also, I created a private Facebook group. This Facebook group, you can ask questions if you don't want to join a Discord, but what I'll be doing is hosting monthly live Q&As with the entire community. So every month for 1 hour, I'll be hosting a Q&A. Anyone who has purchased the course will have lifetime access to this private Facebook group, and you can ask me whatever you want. If you can't make the 1 hour, maybe I'll try to set up maybe 2 a month, just depending on my availability and everyone's requests. So I'll probably do a couple polls to see when people are interested. If we jump to the topics of the course, when you first log in, you'll just get this very generic host from, so I purchased this off Kajabi. That's the hosting. That's the course hosting site. What I'll be discussing, do a little intro. We'll talk about budgeting, credit, intro to investing, intro to stock market, because investing and stock market are different, investment accounts, portfolio recommendations, Canadian taxes, and then in the future, I'll discuss real estate and cryptocurrency. So I'll probably do crypto before real estate. I'm unsure what to do with real estate because my expertise is only in Ontario, and this is a Canada-wide course. So I might have to engage or employ other experts in different provinces just to break down what's going on in other provinces, because I just don't know. I'll just be making guesses. Anything else related to this? If you're wondering how long it is, it's around 60 videos, and I'll be adding more every month or every 2 months. I won't be releasing a video like every month. I won't be doing one new video at a time. I'll probably add 4 or 5. So it's a big chunk that you can watch all at once. I've probably completed 85 or 90% of the course. I didn't want to wait until I was 100% complete because there's just too much to do. I've been working on this maybe 5 or 6 months. I am sick of it. I've been talking about everything related to Canadian finance, a lot of research, a lot of scripting, a lot of redos. I hired a video editing team, which didn't do that well. So I ended up editing most of it myself. It's currently 7 hours and it'll continually grow. If you're wondering where I got this idea from, if you look up here, Course Creator Pro. So I did copy their name. 1, I'm not creative. 2, I couldn't find another name interesting or relevant enough. So I bought this course for $1,000. Course Creator Pro is a course that teaches you how to make courses. So I'm following their blueprint. They have a Facebook group with over 3,000 members. They have, I think, 30 hours of content, and it grows every month or grows every year. It was $1,000 US, which was a lot. It was totally worth it. They kind of taught me everything I need to know. I just need to learn how to market and advertise the course. If we just go to the website, if you're wondering just the cost. So if we scroll down, the cost is $597. But if you're interested, it is $297. And now, just for the launch day, I will do... Where is it? Just for the launch day on May 1st, I've included a 50% coupon. If you'd like to purchase, type 50 off, apply, you'll get 50% off. This is the cheapest you'll ever see this course. I've worked so hard on it. It's not done yet. It'll continually grow. So $148, $150 for lifetime access to everything I'm providing. I do think it's amazing. Normal price will be $297. As the course gets over 10 hours, I will increase the price. As I add more sections or maybe even a mini course on options, which I will add, I will increase the price. So this is a this might be a business venture I'll be working on for a long time. I am very interested in helping Canadians. I created this because people still have questions. I have over 200 videos on YouTube, and I feel like it's not enough. It doesn't go basic enough. People want more in depth. People want something they can continually go back on. I'm also 250 emails behind and messages on YouTube comments. So I feel like the YouTube will slowly not die down. I'll continue to make stock recommendations because those stock recommendations are time sensitive. So I'll review TD Bank, I'll review Tesla, but it's only at a moment in time. It's not relevant for a course. The course is more, what is the term? Evergreen. So some of the topics I'll be discussing will be evergreen. They can last pretty much forever. Sorry, there's something in my eye. I don't know what it is. What a horrible time as soon as I'm filming this video. But I'm very excited. I'm a little nervous. I have 20 pre-sales so far, so 20 people already. So my Discord server should increase up to 50. The Facebook group should go up to 20, hopefully. If you have any questions, just let me know. Send me an email, send me a message. I'm hoping everyone can jump on this pre-sale launch. You get 50% off. I probably will be increasing the price of this course. I have another 3 hours to add. It will go up to $349. It will go up to $399. Yeah, this is probably my new business venture. This is my 9th source of income. It's not passive. There's a lot of work involved in this. It did take me 6 months so far. I just need to learn how to market, how to advertise. You might be seeing me more on TikTok. You might be seeing me more on Instagram. I have an Instagram page with like 250 followers, but I haven't posted a single thing, but I need to get more into it. I think I'm going to end it here. No video this week. This will be my one video. I need to just focus on the course and working out any bugs or any questions or issues people have. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.